Most platforms let you upload a few videos and stop there. But creating a real online school with your own website, courses, payments, and branding, that's a whole different story. That's where LearnWorlds comes in. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up from scratch. Starting a free trial. The first step is starting your free trial. LearnWorlds gives you 30 days for free, no credit card needed. To access that, use the link in the description of this video. As soon as you sign up, it automatically creates your first school inside what's called an organization. Think of that as your umbrella account. You're the owner. And from there, you can spin up new schools, clone them if you're on higher plans, or invite admins with different permissions. So, with your first school in place, let's move on to managing it. Managing your accounts and schools. Click on My Accounts. This is your central hub. From here, you can see all your schools under one login, manage billing, switch between dark and light mode, and get updates from the platform. If you're running more than one project, let's say a coaching program and a corporate training school, you'll see them all listed here. You can jump between them in seconds, no extra logins needed. It saves a ton of time once you're managing multiple schools. The school dashboard. Once inside your school, you will land on the dashboard. This is your control panel, the place you check every day. Here you will see new student signups, revenue reports, product sales, and how many learners are active. In other words, it's the heartbeat of your school. I like to think of it as a daily report card that instantly tells you how things are going. Branding and Theme Explorer. Next, it's time to make your school look and feel like your brand. LearnWorlds gives you a few different ways to open the Theme Explorer. You can go straight to website and then Theme Explorer, or from website, go to design, click edit in Theme Explorer. Or open website, design, then edit website, then head into design, and then Theme Explorer. Once inside, you can set your colors, typography, buttons, and layouts. Any changes you make can be previewed instantly and updated anytime. If you want to go further, you can still edit pages directly, like your homepage, login, or checkout, and even add new ones. The drag and drop editor is simple, but if you know CSS or JavaScript, you can get full control. Creating pages. Pages are where your school really comes to life. Once you've set your colors and fonts in Theme Explorer, head to Website, Design, Edit Website. By default, you'll see your homepage, but you can also search for any page using the search bar or manage them from the Pages Manager. Want to add something new? Just click Add New Page. From there, you can edit the layout, text, and media to match your style. Everything automatically pulls from your brand settings, so your fonts and colors stay consistent without extra work. Course creation. Now for the fun part, building your first course. LearnWorlds keeps it simple but powerful. It's a 3-step process. Create the course, add a title, description, and URL. You can set it as free, paid, draft, or coming soon. Organize your sections. Break it into modules or chapters. Add learning activities. Upload videos, PDFs, audio, quizzes, assignments, or even interactive lessons. What I like here is that you're not stuck with just video. You can add gamification, certificates, or even SCORM and HTML5 contents. That way, your course doesn't just sit there. It feels alive. Payments and monetization. If you're planning to sell, you'll need to connect a payment gateway. Go to Settings, Financial, Payment Gateway. From there, you can link Stripe, PayPal, or whichever service you prefer. There's also a sandbox mode. I really like this feature. It lets you test payments in a safe environment before going live. That way, you know checkout is smooth for your first real students. LearnWorlds supports one-time purchases, subscriptions, and payment plans, so you can choose the model that fits your business. Integrations. Finally, let's power up your school with integrations. LearnWorlds connects with tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit for email marketing, affiliate software if you want partners promoting your courses, and analytics tools like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel. With these integrations, you don't have to juggle different platforms. Everything works together behind the scenes. And that's how easy it is to get started with LearnWorlds. In no time, you can go from nothing to a fully branded online school ready to welcome your first students. If you want to try it yourself, I've left the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.